special way. Listen up, search around for different animal sounds.
I hear with my little ear something kind of loud.
Oink, oink, oink.
Hey, it's a piggy snout. He rolls around in a big mud bath.
Oink, oink, oink.
He makes us laugh.
Oink, oink, oink goes the pig. I hear with my little ears something near that tree.
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Hey, it's a bumblebee. He drinks nectar from a flower now.
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
It's such a funny sound. Buzz, buzz, buzz goes the bee. I hear with my little ear something going back and forth.
Swish, swish, swish.
Hey, it's Heidi the horse. She swings her tail from side to side.
Swish, swish, swish. From left to right.
Swish, swish, swish goes the horse. I hear with my little ear
A new sound, what is that?
scratch, scratch, scratch.
Hey, it's Go-Go the cat.
She's sharpening her kitten claws.
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Go a little pause. Scratch, scratch, scratch goes the cat. I hear with my little ear something strange and new.
Slurp, slurp, slurp.
It's Letty eating food. She slurps spaghetti from a bowl.
Slurp, slurp, slurp.
Now we know that slurp, slurp, slurp goes the lamb. We played a game and we learned some sounds today. We listened up, searched around for different animal sounds. So many sounds for you and me here on Lellobee.
Hi, I'm Ella. Today we're pretending to be frogs, just like our friend Frogolina. Ribbit, ribbit, come splash with us.
5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs.
Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 speckled frogs. Glub, glub. La, 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 la. Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs.
Yum, yum.
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 3 speckled frogs.
Glub, glub. La, 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 la. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum.
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 2 speckled frogs.
Glub, glub. La, 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 la. Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs.
Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there was 1 speckled frog. Glub, glub.